Yum. 2, 1. Yum. Hey guys, my name is Shadi. So for those that don't know me, I am the owner of Back to Basics for Life Fitness. I am a full-time personal trainer, and again, like always, I absolutely love coming on to my YouTube channel to speak with you about different types of topics. Today's topic that I'll be speaking to you guys about, that I'm sure all of you guys have been waiting for, is some quick, fast snacks. Now, I do get a lot of clients and a lot of people, even a lot of my followers, ask me what I eat for quick snacks, especially when your day can be a very, very busy one also. I'm basically going to share with you guys today what I would do in terms of what I eat throughout the day, especially with such a busy day ahead. I would definitely like to prepare my food the night before. For those that are watching and all my followers that want any more tips on other nutritional snack ideas, just comment below or message me on Instagram or my Facebook page, and it will definitely be awesome to get your support. So here is my famous chia seed pudding. It literally takes within say 2 minutes to make. Manuka honey, chia seeds, so good almond milk, some goji berries, mango, and frozen berries. We're going to add about 1/4 cup of almond milk. This is just to give it a little bit of flavor. Let that stay overnight. Mix it around. The Manuka honey. Just casually eating my snack for tomorrow. Next one, guys, that I absolutely love, and it literally takes about 15 minutes to cook and make, is the Macromike brownies. Vegan friendly, gluten free, dairy free. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. 360 mils of water, tip it in the bowl, and just mix away and place it in the baking tray. So Macromike, guys. This one is the mint chocky brownie. So we're just going to add that in. All done. Now just going to chuck that in the oven for it to cook. Yum, guys. Look at that. Can you see that? The brownie, the vegan brownie. Yum. It is mint. Now I'm going to show you another snack. Small can of tuna and vegetables. There you go, guys. That is another snack for the day. The snack that I have today is just trail mix with fruit. That is the trail mix there. So guys, my absolute favorite is my protein shake and some almonds as well. That is another quick snack that I have. I'll either go for the Macromike. If you haven't tried it, try it out. It literally has no grains. It doesn't taste sandy or anything like that. So any kind of vegan protein that you guys have tried in the past that have a really acquired taste, You should definitely try this one out. We have also the Green Tea X50 Lean Whey Protein. It is absolutely amazing as well. I alternate between the two. I am not vegan, but I absolutely love both their products. X50, if you want, guys, try it out. Their caramel popcorn is absolutely amazing. And I literally have, with my protein shake, just a couple of almonds, and that is all good to go, and just shake it in a shaker. Yum, guys. Definitely need to try these out. Boom! These are literally my life. Broccoli chip? No way! This is so good. Can you see it, guys? It is a broccoli chip. Yum. If you haven't tried these broccoli chips out, definitely give them a shot. Guilt-free too. Next, we have these babies here. Also vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free. My babies. You need to try these out. Add water in a little glass or a bowl, mix it around and spread it on some of these. I'm going to show you how to simply make some of these. Okay guys, so I've just put some water in here, mixing it away. It is the cheesecake mix. Spread it like so. So there you have it, guys. There are 7 different snacks that I've just shown you today. Cheesecake, brownie, your peanut butter spread. Cheesecake is so good. Broccoli chips, guys, so good, quick snack, guilt-free. And your protein powder, guys, for those that are not vegan, seriously, even this is amazing, Macro Mike. But again, the Lean Whey is absolutely amazing too. You have to try them, or just get both. Best of both worlds. The other one is your normal tuna and some vegetables, your trail nuts with your fruits. One. Oh. Two. And also the chia seed pudding. Seriously, yum. Don't forget that. I hope you really enjoyed. Again, it's all about eating a balanced diet. You don't want to live your life forever having to weigh all your food. As long as you know yourself that you're eating correctly, that's all that matters. As long as you're eating wholesome meals. I don't live my life every day weighing my food. I just know that I eat healthy and that everything that I eat are all in moderation. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment below, and again, let me know if there are any other things that you'd like me to speak about. Definitely will be back here to speak to you more about eating and nutrition. Thanks guys, bye.